Happy Monday! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian breakfast burrito in a mug for our Mug Cooking Mondays program. So the ingredients and supplies you'll need are a microwave, your mug, a fork, a tortilla. You'll need 2 tablespoons of beans. That could be refried beans, black beans, pinto beans, whatever kind of beans you like in your burrito. 2 tablespoons of cheese, and then any other ingredients you would like to put in there. I put some green onions. You could put peppers, any kind of veggies you like, and 2 eggs. All right, so to get started, you are going to put your tortilla into your mug. The recipe I used recommended a 9-inch tortilla. I'm not really sure what size my tortilla was, but it was a little big, so I actually tore just a little bit off so that it would fit in my mug better. So put the tortilla down in my mug, and then the next step is to crack your 2 eggs into the tortilla and whisk them with a fork, and make sure not to break the tortilla. So here's my first egg. Try not to get any eggshells in there. All right, also you should have some paper towels on hand or wet wipes. Make sure you always wash your hands before cooking and after touching raw eggs. I actually did get a little eggshell in there. Let's try to get that out. I'm not the best egg cracker. Okay, there it is. All right, crack my second egg. All right. Get all the egg off of my hands, and of course I will wash my hands very well after I'm done with this video. All right, you have your 2 eggs cracked in your tortilla. Now you're going to whisk them together. Don't want to break the tortilla. Don't want to get any egg on your surface, or you want to have a tablecloth or something down, or make sure to clean it up properly after you do that. All right, now after you've whisked your eggs together, you're going to add in your mix-ins. So I have my 2 tablespoons of beans and cheese, and I have my green onions that I've already measured out. Woo! And I'm going to put those down in there and mix them together with the egg, because I don't want to get just a bite of beans or just a bite of egg or just a bite of cheese. I want them all nice and mixed together. All right, so now we are ready to microwave it. So the recipe says to microwave it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Check, and if the eggs are still liquid, cook for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now keep an eye on it. You don't want the eggs to overheat or have an egg explosion in your microwave, so make sure to keep an eye on it. And you know, microwaves vary, so your cook time will vary. Just keep checking on it, and when the eggs are all the way cooked, it is ready to eat. And then you might want to top it with some salsa, some sour cream, whatever you like on your burritos. Hope you guys enjoy.